Hey guys, it's our last day. Sadness, but we are going to Animal Kingdom. And we have actually a new thing at breakfast at Rainforest Cafe. We've never done that. So we're gonna see how it is.
See what their breakfast is like. Yeah, we've had their lunch or dinner or whatever before.
They're pretty good.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah,
so something different.
We're excited. I got an omelet, and then you got the sliders. They look great. Okay guys, so we've been looking for these cocoa boxes everywhere, and this is our last day. We finally found them at Animal Kingdom. I'm so happy. I think that if you're ever looking for something, you have to go to Animal Kingdom. I guess people don't buy pins here much because there's usually like, it's true, Mom.
It is true. Yeah. I know, it's so weird. This is where we come.
This is always where we come.
It's just that this time it was our last day, so it was kind of like, uh-oh.
Yeah, it was just like, well, are we going to pull it off? We're not sure.
But we did.
But we got them. Isn't that the cutest thing?
It is really cute. I've never seen that.
No.
Their closest and only known relative is a giraffe. You can see the resemblance in his face. He's got the ossicones and a long prehensile tongue like the giraffes do as well. Maybe? No? Now, the Nile hippopotamus, they're to the left of the island. They can stay submerged up to 8 minutes at a time. Fully grown males, they can weigh in at 5,500 pounds. Of the reserve, and we're on the sign before we pulled in case you were wondering what animal that was. That's it. You can see some little giraffes back there. A lot of people's favorite animal is a giraffe. Nobody knows there's 9 different subspecies of them. Every single giraffe out here is a Maasai, named after the Maasai tribe. They have a dark irregular pattern. Maybe they're 6 feet tall at birth, just under a week. A little skittish at times, we don't want to scare them.
Never charged?
I've been charged a few times, yes. They've never hit me, but they have knocked my truck. 10 feet to the right of those tall rocks. They sleep on them. See them? Now, the lions are inactive 18 to 20 hours a day. He used them to show you that perfectly for you.
Okay, we're sitting here a little disappointed because we had a Dinosaur Fast Pass and it broke down when we were almost about to get on. I don't know if it was a fire because they made us evacuate. I don't know. At first they said we could wait there. It's just a delay, and then they said we need to evacuate for safety reasons. So we had to leave. And then now we're gonna eat a Mickey bar. But yeah, we didn't even get our fast pass back. That was just, you know, you're out of luck because you scanned your magic band. So it was kind of a bummer. It was a little bit of a bummer. Hey guys, we're back to the room and we're getting ready to go to Mickey's very Merry Christmas party.